Ever stared at your tracking number, days turning into weeks, wondering where on earth your customer's order has vanished to? If you're running a dropshipping business with Oberlo, shipping delays aren't just an inconvenience. They can impact your reputation and your bottom line. So, the million-dollar question is, how exactly does Oberlo, the platform that connects you with countless products and suppliers, handle the dreaded shipping delays? Let's be honest, the nature of dropshipping means you're somewhat at the mercy of your suppliers and their shipping methods. Oberlo itself isn't a shipping carrier. It's a facilitator, a marketplace that bridges the gap between you and those who hold the inventory and handle the logistics. Therefore, Oberlo's approach to shipping delays isn't about directly controlling the delivery trucks or the customs processes. Instead, it's about providing you with the tools and information to navigate these challenges effectively and keep your customers and your sanity intact. One of the primary ways Oberlo helps you manage shipping delays is by providing a centralized platform for order tracking. Once a supplier ships an order and provides a tracking number, you can typically find this information within your Oberlo dashboard. This allows you to monitor the progress of shipments and proactively identify potential delays. Instead of manually chasing down tracking information from multiple suppliers, everything is conveniently located in one place. This visibility is the first step in managing expectations and addressing customer inquiries. Furthermore, Oberlo often integrates with AliExpress, a major source of dropshipping products. AliExpress has its own buyer protection policies and dispute resolution processes. While Oberlo doesn't directly handle these disputes, the fact that many Oberlo-sourced products come from AliExpress means you can leverage their systems if a significant shipping delay leads to a non-delivery or other issues. Understanding AliExpress's buyer protection timelines and procedures is crucial for dropshippers using Oberlo. Communication is key when it comes to shipping delays, and Oberlo provides features that can aid this process. While Oberlo doesn't automatically notify customers about delays, it gives you the tools to access tracking information and communicate proactively. You can then use this information to update your customers, explaining the situation and providing estimated delivery times, if available. Transparency, even in the face of bad news, can go a long way in maintaining customer trust. Oberlo also emphasizes the importance of choosing reliable suppliers. While delays can happen even with the best of them, working with suppliers who have a proven track record of timely shipping can significantly reduce the likelihood of such issues. Oberlo allows you to view supplier ratings and feedback, which can offer insights into their shipping efficiency. While past performance isn't a guarantee of future results, it's a valuable factor to consider when selecting your product sources. Beyond the platform's features, Oberlo provides educational resources and blog content that often touches upon best practices for managing shipping and customer expectations. These resources can offer valuable advice on setting realistic delivery timelines in your store policies, crafting effective communication templates for delay notifications, and even strategies for handling customer complaints arising from shipping issues. While not a direct solution to the delay itself, this knowledge empowers you to handle the situation professionally. It's important to understand what Oberlo doesn't do regarding shipping delays. It doesn't offer any direct compensation for delays, nor does it have the power to expedite shipping or directly intervene with shipping carriers. Your relationship regarding the actual shipping is primarily with your chosen supplier. Oberlo facilitates the connection, but the responsibility of ensuring timely delivery, as much as is within your control, ultimately rests with you. So what can you do as an Oberlo user to mitigate the impact of shipping delays? Firstly, be proactive with communication. Don't wait for customers to reach out. Monitor your tracking information and update them if you foresee a delay. Secondly, build realistic shipping expectations into your store policies. Clearly state that delivery times are estimates and can vary, especially for international shipments. Thirdly, consider offering different shipping options, even if they come at a higher cost, as some customers may prioritize speed. Fourthly, build a buffer into your estimated delivery times to account for potential delays. Finally, cultivate strong relationships with reliable suppliers who are responsive and transparent about their shipping processes. In essence, Oberlo equips you with the visibility and the connections but the responsibility of managing the fallout from shipping delays largely falls on your shoulders. It's about utilizing the tools Oberlo provides, coupled with proactive communication and smart business practices, to navigate the unpredictable world of international shipping. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.